Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I want to discuss with you the health benefits of kale.
Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it.
If you have been following me for a while, you may have noticed that I love to juice. One ingredient that I love to add to my juices is kale. Kale is a dark green leafy vegetable that is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's actually considered a superfood. Kale is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, B vitamins, manganese, calcium, copper, potassium, magnesium, iron, and phosphorus. Kale is also rich in fiber and antioxidants. Antioxidants help the body remove unwanted toxins. Kale may help prevent infections, diabetes, and heart disease. Research studies have shown that kale can substantially lower the bad cholesterol, LDL, and boost the good cholesterol, HDL. In case you need the acronyms for that. The antioxidant activity in the blood of most participants had also increased. The antioxidant activity of participants who were smokers remained flat. This was based on a case study where 30 men with high cholesterol had consumed 3 to 4 shots of kale juice a day for 3 months. Kale may also promote digestion, skin and hair health, eye health, and also bone health. As always, I repeat, consult with your physician. Kale can interfere with medications such as blood thinners. So, I repeat, always consult with your physician. Till next time, bye.